What's up everybody, welcome to another honest comparison video. Today we are gonna talk about this QCY H3 and Tozo HT2. Me, my girlfriend Rachel and all of our team members in this studio, we all have tested these headphones for the past couple of weeks, and I think it's the correct time to share the truth with you. Because I have noticed that on YouTube there are some misleading reviews with a lot of information which is not correct. Yeah, I don't wanna name any name, but yeah, there are some people who are misleading the viewers. So if you really want to buy a set of budget active noise cancellation headphones, then definitely my recommendation would be QCY H3. But if you want to know why I am recommending these QCY H3 and how QCY H3 is better than Tozo HT2, then you will need to watch through this video. Well, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, let's start from outlook, appearance and build quality. The truth is, QCY H3 and Tozo HT2 are built with the same materials and has the same design language. Personally, I believe that Tozo HT2 and QCY H3 are actually ODM products. I mean, these are from an original design manufacturer. Check these two products actually looks the same. The button placements, all the cutouts, all the materials, everything is the same. There isn't no difference. Yeah, QCY has intelligently added an extra curve which makes it look a bit different, but actually there isn't no difference. Okay, I have seen many YouTubers, they're talking like Tozo HT2 offers more comfort, it has better build quality than QCY H3. I am announcing a $1,000 challenge. If anybody can prove that Tozo HT2 and QCY H3, these two set of headphones are not built with the same materials, doesn't have the same design language, there is a single difference in outlook, appearance and build quality other than the one that I have mentioned in this video, then I'm gonna give away $1,000 to that person or to that group. Truly, in terms of outlook, appearance and build quality, both are the same. Both offer similar level of comfort, both gets similar level of seal around the ear, and yeah, both have the same level of sturdiness. It's nothing comparable to the other flagships, but well, actually only for this extra curve that QCY has added to this H3 gives it a better outlook and appearance. Moreover, I really don't like the logo that Tozo have added to their headphones. Okay, as both the headphones have the same design, the button placement of these two headphones are also the same. Both the headphones comes with 4 buttons. One is a multifunction button accompanied by a set of volume rockers and a dedicated active noise cancellation button. Yeah, there is a 3.5mm port and a USB-C port in between the volume rockers and the dedicated ANC button. All the buttons are located on the right side, so there is nothing on the left side. So well, in terms of outlook and appearance, I will give QCY H3 8 out of 10, Tozo HT2 7 out of 10, and when it comes down to comfort and build quality, both gets 7 out of 10. Okay, all of these started when my girlfriend Rachel has asked me to buy her a set of budget ANC headphones. First, I have bought her a Tozo HT2 because I thought that she would like the pink colored variant, and I actually didn't check the specifications. At that time, Tozo HT2 was like $10 more expensive than QCY H3, so I thought, okay, get the better one for her. But after I have given it to her, she has started making a lot of complaints, and that's why I have bought the QCY H3 and tested it thoroughly before I have given it to her. Now she is super happy and praises 4 features of QCY H3. The first thing me and my girlfriend we both like about these QCY H3s, it offers a very good noise cancellation. Yeah, both the Tozo HT2 and QCY H3 are active noise cancellation headphones, but the performance of QCY H3 is far better. Tozo actually claims that there are 6 different noise cancellation modes, But the truth is, only 4 of those options have anything to do with noise cancellation. The other 2 are transparent and normal mode, which doesn't actually do anything. In transparent mode, it actually doesn't amplify the surrounding sound, so there is a negligible difference between the normal mode and the transparent mode. The first one is active noise cancellation, the second one is transparent, the third one is reduce wind noise, the fourth option is leisure mode, the fifth one is normal mode, and the sixth option is adaptive mode. Well, if that's the way to count how many noise cancellation modes QCY H3 has, then it has 7 different noise cancellation modes. As usual, QCY H3 also has transparent mode and normal mode. And when it comes to noise cancellation, it has 5 different modes, and 3 of those modes actually supports different level of noise cancellation. There is this adaptive and wind noise cancellation mode where we cannot select the level, but we can select 3 different levels when we select noisy, commuting, and indoor. So QCY H3 actually offers more option to select our desired level of noise cancellation. Not only that, we have tried it in many different environments. QCY H3 actually performs, and the difference between different level of noise cancellations, different type of noise cancellations actually works differently and offers the best performance. While the noise cancellation of Tozo HT2 is very basic, it's pretty minimum, and even if we try to select different type of noise cancellation, me and Rachel, we both have failed to understand whether there is any difference or not. It's always the same. Whether we select noise cancellation mode or adaptive mode, the noise cancellation is the same. It doesn't change anything based on the ambient and surrounding sounds. So I'm gonna give QCY H3 9 out of 10 for noise cancellation, while Tozo HT2 will get 6 out of 10 for noise cancellation. Before we talk about the sound signature, let's talk about a few other things. Both the headphones are high-res audio certified, but remember, this is not high-res audio wireless. So if you really want to get high-res audio performance, then you have to use these headphones in wired mode. You have to manually plug it into your smartphone, tablet, or laptop to get high-res audio. Okay, here comes the second thing that me and Rachel we both love about QCY H3. QCY H3 supports multi-point connection. We can connect this QCY H3 to 2 devices at the same time, and switching time between the devices is so very fast. It is as good as any other flagship headphones. On the other hand, Tozo HT2 doesn't support multi-point connection. So in terms of features, QCY H3 gets 10 out of 10, while Tozo HT2 gets 5 out of 10. The sound signature of Tozo HT2 and QCY H3 is totally different. Even if the outer shell, the band, the memory foams, everything is the same, actually QCY has used a better dynamic driver. Yeah, both are equipped with 40mm dynamic drivers, but QCY has used a complex dynamic driver with titanium coating, while Tozo has used something generic. So the sound quality of QCY H3 is far better. QCY H3 surprisingly has a wider sound stage, which offers crisp and clear sound quality. I think QCY H3 reproduces bass, the low frequency, way better than its competitors. Not only the low frequency, QCY H3 also reproduces mid frequency and high frequency way better than its competitors. Especially the separation between lows, mids, and highs is superb. Unlike many other budget headphones, QCY H3 actually has a better separation between the lows and the highs, and that means you will get this added level of immersion while watching movies, listening to music, or even playing games. Tozo HT2 totally fails in this segment. It almost has a straight line sound signature, and it sometimes feels a bit messy because sometimes the mid frequency gets a bit too high, and that actually tangles the other 2 frequencies. So if you truly care about sound signature, then I think QCY H3 is far better than Tozo HT2. But well, if you care about loudness, then Tozo HT2 goes a bit louder than QCY H3, but I cannot vouch for clarity of Tozo HT2. I think Tozo didn't even try to optimize it, because not only the mids, sound reproduction of low frequency and high frequency is also not that great. The low frequency sounds don't have that oomph, and the high frequency sounds sometimes gets over sharpened. So in terms of sound signature, QCY H3 gets 10 out of 10 and Tozo HT2 gets 6 out of 10. Okay, both of these brands have developed their own applications, and I know sometimes tweaking the equalizer in the application may optimize the sound performance. QCY H3 offers 6 different preset equalizers. If we don't like those, we can always customize the 10-band equalizer by ourselves. And yeah, the sound signature gets a bit changed, and based on your test or preference, you may get the best out of QCY H3. We can even select 4 different actions for the multifunction button. Okay, I personally think how it comes out of the box is totally optimized, so I didn't change the button layout, but Rachel has changed it. So if you want, then you can change the button layout. But you cannot do that with Tozo HT2 because inside the application, there is no option to do that. Well, Tozo offers 16 different preset equalizers. You will need to check those by yourself. The equalizer changes the sound signature a bit, but the performance doesn't get that much uplifted. It's always a bit messy and misses that clarity. We can also customize a 10-band equalizer on Tozo application by ourselves. Yeah, I have tried that too. Nothing has improved the sound performance. The QCY application also has a few other features which Tozo doesn't have, like Find Headset, Gaming Mode, and Sleep Timer. Well, talking about gaming mode, yeah, QCY H3 has way better latency than Tozo HT2. Tozo HT2 actually has an extremely high latency, and sometimes even watching movies become annoying because the lip doesn't sync to the sound. On the other hand, you will be able to play games with QCY H3 because it goes to a very low latency mode when gaming mode is enabled. Without ANC, QCY H3 offers up to 62 hours of playback time, and it goes up to 39 hours with ANC. Also, QCY H3 takes 8 minutes shorter than Tozo HT2 to get fully refueled. And yeah, even if Tozo claims that Tozo HT2 will offer 60 hours without ANC, every time we have tried to use this Tozo HT2, it only offers around 52 to 53 hours without ANC and somewhere between 33 to 36 hours with ANC. So yeah, I think QCY has almost nailed it with this H3. Finally, I personally don't prefer to take phone calls or make phone calls over the headphones, but yeah, only to share the truth with you, I have tried it, Rachel has tried it too, and we believe QCY H3 with its VDCNN neural network algorithm offers better call quality. Both the Tozo HT2 and QCY H3 comes with 3 microphones, but yeah, voice quality and clarity is much better on QCY H3. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.